Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the BMW M5 Competition by Asco Tuning. As you might know, the BMW M5 Competition is one of the most popular high-performance cars on the market, and today we'll be discussing the enhancements made by Asco Tuning to take this car to the next level. The exterior of a car is one of the most important factors in its design. It is the first thing people see when they look at a car, and it sets the tone for the rest of the vehicle. A great exterior design can help a car stand out from the crowd and attract attention. It can also give the car a personality and make it more appealing to potential buyers. In the case of the BMW M5 Competition by Asco Tuning, the exterior modifications have been made to enhance the car's aggressive and sporty look. The carbon fiber hood and front splitter not only make the car look more aggressive, but also improve aerodynamics. Carbon fiber is a popular material for car modifications because it is lightweight and strong, which can improve performance. The blacked-out kidney grills give the car a more menacing look, and the 21-inch wheels add to the overall sporty appearance. The wheels are not only stylish, but also practical. The interior of a car is just as important as the exterior. It is the space where the driver and passengers will spend most of their time, and it needs to be comfortable and functional. The interior can also add to the overall aesthetic of the car and give it a personality. In the case of the BMW M5 Competition by Asco Tuning, the interior has been modified to add a custom touch and improve the overall driving experience. The first thing that catches the eye when you step inside the car is the custom steering wheel. Asco Tuning has added Alcantara and carbon fiber accents to the steering wheel, which not only look great but also improve grip. The Alcantara material is soft to the touch and provides better grip than traditional leather. The carbon fiber accents add to the overall sporty look of the car. The seats in the BMW M5 Competition have also been customized by Asco Tuning. The custom seats have the Asco Tuning logo embroidered on them, which adds to the overall custom look of the car. The seats are also more supportive than the stock seats, which is important for a high-performance car. The seats are made from high-quality materials, which not only look great but are also comfortable for long drives. In addition to the custom seats, Asco Tuning has also added a number of other custom touches to the interior of the car. The door panels have been reupholstered with Alcantara material, which not only looks great but also feels great to the touch. The Alcantara material is soft and provides better grip than traditional leather, which is important for a high-performance car. The dashboard has also been customized by Asco Tuning. They've added carbon fiber trim to the dashboard, which not only adds to the overall sporty look of the car, but also makes the interior feel more luxurious. The carbon fiber material is lightweight and adds to the overall performance of the car. Asco Tuning has also added custom floor mats to the BMW M5 Competition. The custom floor mats have the Asco Tuning logo embroidered on them, which adds to the overall custom look of the car. The floor mats are made from high-quality materials, which not only look great, but are also durable. The sound system in the BMW M5 Competition has also been upgraded by Asco Tuning. They've added a custom sound system that not only sounds great, but also integrates seamlessly with the car's existing electronics. The sound system includes custom speakers, a subwoofer, and an amplifier. The sound system not only adds to the overall driving experience, but also adds to the overall custom look of the car. The BMW M5 Competition by Asco Tuning also features a number of technology upgrades. The car has been fitted with a custom digital display that shows important information about the car, including speed, fuel consumption, and engine temperature. The digital display is easy to read and adds to the overall modern feel of the car. In addition to the digital display, the car has also been fitted with a custom navigation system. The navigation system not only helps the driver get to their destination, but also integrates seamlessly with the car's existing electronics. The navigation system includes a large touchscreen display that is easy to use and adds to the overall modern feel of the car. The BMW M5 Competition by Asco Tuning also features a number of safety features. The car has been fitted with a custom backup camera that helps the driver see behind the car when backing up. The backup camera is easy to use and adds to the overall safety of the car. The car also features a number of airbags, which adds to the overall safety of the car. The BMW M5 Competition by Asco Tuning is not just a custom beauty on the outside, but it also packs a powerful punch under the hood. The car has been fitted with a custom exhaust system that not only sounds great, but also improves performance. The custom exhaust system has been designed to reduce back pressure, which increases power and improves throttle response. The car's engine has also been modified by Asco Tuning. The car now has a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that produces 1,200 horsepower and 1,348 newton-meters. This is a significant increase over the stock engine, which produces 617 horsepower. The modified engine not only improves performance, but also adds to the overall driving experience. The car also features a number of performance upgrades, including custom brakes, suspension, and wheels. The custom brakes are designed to handle the increased power of the engine, and they provide improved stopping power. The custom suspension improves handling and provides a smoother ride, even at high speeds. The custom wheels not only look great, but also provide improved performance and handling. The BMW M5 Competition by Asco Tuning is a car that has been modified to perfection. The car's exterior has been customized to give it a unique look, while the interior has been modified to improve the overall driving experience.